Hi, it's been a while before I was able to have an update in the offload series that I have created as a playlist in this channel. Pero kanina po, I was so happy to know that our client was able to finally go to Taiwan. So before, quick background lang po, before na-offload siya because he wasn't able to present bank statement and bank certificate, and he shifted from having his own travel personal expense under personal expenses. He shifted to a sponsored travel. So kanina nag-chat siya, ma'am, ano po ba yung if-fill out ko dito? Kasi may record na po kasi ako, ma'am. So nagtanong yung officer doon sa immigration department na kompleto na ba yung documents mo. So binigyan daw siya ng yung form na yon, show ko dito. Tapos meron doon nakalagay na magkano yung fund na dala mo. Sabi ko, wait lang, sir, hindi na po ata necessary na i-fill out nyo pa yan. Sabihan nyo lang, balik kayo sa officer, you tell him or her that you're already sponsored by your brother in Taiwan and that you have all the requirements. So hindi na yun kailangan, sir. Sabi ko, try mo po, balik ka po doon, okay? Tapos sabi niya, sige po ma'am, salamat po. And I chatted him, how is it? Walang reply. And few minutes after he chatted back, he messaged me, I'm already here, thank you so much. Sabi niya, okay na po lahat ma'am, salamat po ng marami. Sabi ko, hindi, happy din ako, thank God na ganun. So if nangyari sa inyo guys na na-offload kayo the first time because they were asking proof of fund from you, bank statement, bank certificate, and then it happens na the second time around na bumalik kayo, ibang way na yung gusto nyo, sponsored na yung travel nyo, or probably na-hire na kayo, dinirect hire kayo, just refuse filling out that paper kasi yung paper na yan is intended to those po na same pa rin na personal expense pa rin yung tatahakin. Akala nila na magko-comply ka lang ng documents. So kung mangyari na ganon, iba na meron ka ng sponsor sa trip mo, tsaka kompleto na yung checklist, kompleto mo yung documents sa checklist, hindi na po yung necessary. It just makes me happy that he was able to push travel to Taiwan. And I hope I was able to give you an idea what to do there. Every time may client kami ma-offload, just share ko lang din yung experience nila dito para mas makatulong din po sa mga nag-a-attend pumunta ng abroad na na-offload na before. Okay? So, great day ahead. It's a really great day. Bye!